Look at the garbage though, it's like half in the pool and half on the other side.
It must have just blew way across, it probably floated across the other side of the pool.
The whole table's like halfway knocked over. Oh my god, Aaron, look at the gym
window.
window of
Oh
the
my god, look at
gym.
all that water.